The DJI Osmo Nano has been one of the most anticipated compact cameras of the year, and the latest leak has finally given us a clear look at what to expect. For months, rumors and speculation surrounded this tiny device, but new retail box photos, a full list of specifications, accessories, and pricing details have surfaced. What once seemed like whispers in the tech community now feels almost official. The Osmo Nano looks set to redefine what creators can expect from an ultralight pocket camera. Combining a large sensor, advanced stabilization, modular design, and competitive pricing, DJI is positioning the Nano as a direct challenge to Insta360's Go 3S and GoPro's smaller models. This article breaks down the leak in detail, explaining what the camera is, what it can do, and why it matters. Packaging leak. First surprise came from the retail box photos. These images reportedly originated from an Australian distributor. The box itself is fairly minimal, but one strange detail stood out. The usual glossy product artwork on the front panel was missing. Instead, the surface was blank, leaving some to speculate whether this was an unfinished prototype or simply a placeholder version. Regardless of the missing artwork, the leak confirmed the full contents of the retail package. These accessories give a strong idea of how DJI expects the Nano to be used. Camera specifications. At the core of the Osmo Nano is a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This is significantly larger than what is found in many compact action cameras. A larger sensor brings better low-light performance, improved detail, and greater control over depth of field. It places the Nano closer to smartphone flagships and even some compact point-and-shoot cameras. The video recording capabilities are impressive. The Nano can shoot DCI 4K at up to 60 frames per second, UHD 4K at up to 120 frames per second, Full HD 1080p at up to 240 frames per second. This range gives creators enormous flexibility. The ability to shoot high frame rate 4K allows for smooth playback or creative slow motion. Meanwhile, 240 FPS at 1080p means buttery slow motion sequences are possible without sacrificing sharpness. The lens offers a wide 143-degree field of view. This provides immersive perspectives that are ideal for action shots, vlogging, or travel footage. DJI has engineered the optics to minimize distortion, which is often a problem with ultra-wide lenses. Color performance is another area where the Nano shines. It supports 10-bit color recording and includes DJI's D-Log and profile. This means footage has higher dynamic range, greater detail in highlights and shadows, and far more flexibility during post-production color grading. For creators who want cinematic looks, this is a serious advantage. Modular magnetic design. Nano weighs only 58 grams, making it lighter than most smartphones and even lighter than many earbuds cases. Instead of relying on traditional mounts, DJI has adopted a magnetic modular design. The camera can snap onto accessories, clothing, helmets, or steel surfaces in seconds. This approach removes the hassle of bulky mounting systems. You do not need complicated rigs or clamps. You can simply clip it to your hat, wear it on a lanyard, or place it on your bike frame. The design emphasizes spontaneity, giving creators the freedom to capture moments quickly without fuss. Box contents leak revealed a generous list of accessories included with the Osmo Nano. Inside the package are Osmo Nano camera, multifunctional vision dock with stabilization and splash resistance, protective case, magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard, dual direction ball joint adapter mount, USB-C 3.1 charging cable, quick start guide, and warranty documents. He appears to be giving buyers everything they need to start filming straight away. And like some competitors that sell mounts separately, the Nano comes ready with accessories tailored to vlogging, point-of-view shots, and everyday use. Battery life and charging. Battery endurance is often a weak point for compact action cameras, but DJI seems to have pushed the limits here. The Osmo Nano reportedly runs for up to 200 minutes on a single charge. That is more than 3 hours of continuous shooting, placing it at the top of its class. Fast charging support means you can recharge to 80% in only 20 minutes via USB-C, for creators who travel or shoot for extended periods. This combination of long battery life and rapid charging makes the Nano highly practical. Storage and price. The Osmo Nano will come into variants. The first offers 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, while the second offers 128 gigabytes. Both models also support microSD card expansion, so storage can be extended depending on user needs. Pricing is very competitive. The 64GB model is set at €369 in Europe and $399 in the United States. The 128GB model will cost €399 or $429. Compared to Insta360's Go 3S, which is more expensive, DJI is positioning the Nano as a more affordable yet more capable alternative. Stabilization is well known for stabilization technology, and the Osmo Nano brings this expertise to the smallest form factor yet. It features rock-steady 3.0 digital stabilization, which smooths out shakes and vibrations during high-energy activities. In addition, a horizon balancing feature corrects tilts within plus or minus 30 degrees. This means even if the camera is mounted at an angle, the footage will remain level. For cyclists, skateboarders, or vloggers filming while walking, this ensures professional results without manual correction. Remote control and audio. The Osmo Nano also supports live view and remote control. Through a connected device, users can preview shots, frame subjects, and adjust settings without touching the camera. This feature is especially useful for vlogging or for creative angles where the camera is mounted out of reach. Audio recording has also been upgraded. The Nano supports direct microphone input through DJI's Osmo audio system. For content creators, this solves one of the biggest frustrations with compact action cameras: poor onboard audio quality. With direct mic input, vloggers can capture clear, professional sound without relying on complicated workarounds. Durability included Vision Dot provides splash resistance with an IPX4 rating. This makes the Nano suitable for use in light rain, near water, or during sweaty activities without fear of damage. While it is not intended for deep underwater filming, it is rugged enough for most everyday scenarios. Release timeline. According to the leaked information, the Osmo Nano is scheduled for global release on September 23, 2025. Retail listings from both Australian and American outlets have already revealed the launch bundles and pricing. Market competition. Nano is clearly designed to compete with Insta360's Go 3S and GoPro's Hero Mini line. Insta360 has built a strong reputation for ultra-compact cameras, but the Go 3S is priced higher and offers shorter battery life. GoPro's mini models are durable and powerful but bulkier and less modular. DJI's advantage is its ecosystem. Many creators already own DJI drones, gimbals, or older Osmo cameras. The Nano integrates naturally into this lineup, making it an attractive addition for existing users. For new buyers, its mix of affordability, power, and portability may prove irresistible. The Neo-to-drone leaked Osmo Nano is not the only product making headlines. Around the same time, DJI's upcoming Neo-to-drone appeared in the FCC database. FCC certification is a strong signal that a product is ready for launch in the United States, usually within 4 to 8 weeks. This suggests the Neo-to could also debut in late August or September 2025. The Neo-to is expected to weigh under 249 grams, keeping it exempt from registration in many countries. It may also use the same 1/1.3-inch sensor as the Osmo Nano, allowing for 4K 60 FPS video and stronger low-light performance. Other rumored features include Active ETRAC 6.0 for intelligent subject tracking, HDR photo support, and redesigned double-layer propeller guards for safer indoor flying. The estimated price range is between $449 and $599, putting it in the mid-range category between DJI's budget T models and the more advanced mini drones. The DJI Osmo Nano represents a major step forward for compact action cameras. By combining a large sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, advanced stabilization, modular magnetic mounting, and long battery life, DJI has created a pocket-sized device with professional potential. The inclusion of useful accessories in the retail package makes it even more appealing, while its pricing undercuts key competitors. For vloggers, travelers, action sports fans, and casual users alike, the Osmo Nano offers an impressive balance of performance and convenience. The launch on September 23, 2025, could mark the beginning of a new standard in portable content creation. With the Neo 2 drone also on the horizon, DJI is positioning itself for a strong end to 2025. Compact, lightweight, and creator-focused products appear to be the company's strategy for the coming year. If the leaks are accurate, both the Osmo Nano and the Neo 2 will be worth watching closely.